Hi everybody, I hope you've had a chance to work out the sample problems. Let's take a look at the solutions. Number one, how many ways are there to pick 3 marbles from bag C? So we're only going to pick from this one. There are 8 marbles in that bag and I want 3 of them. There's nothing in the problem indicating order, so I'm just going to write out of the 8 marbles, choose 3. If you want to write it in terms of the combinations, it's going to be 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 5 factorial. That's the combinations formula. Number two, how many ways are there to pick 5 marbles from bag C so that all the numbers are less than 15? Well, in bag C, I've got 7 marbles whose numbers are less than 15. So out of those 7 marbles, I'm going to choose 5. Again, there's nothing in the problem about order. So problem 3, how many ways are there to pick 4 marbles from bag C so that none of the marbles have the same color? Oh, so I need 1 orange. Anytime you read a problem, make sure that you interpret it before you jump right in. None of the marbles have the same color, and I need 4 of them. So I need, it sometimes helps to write this out, need 1 orange, 1 white, 1 blue, and 1 black. So that means I need to pick the orange. So out of the 1 orange, choose 1, times out of the 2 whites, choose 1, out of the 2 blues, choose 1, and out of the 3 blacks, choose 1. You could also write this as 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. That's the fundamental counting principle again. All right, number 4. How many ways are there to pick 3 marbles from bag C so that none of the marbles have the same color? So this time I want 3, and I still want none have the same color. So I could have orange, white, and blue, or I could have orange, blue, and black, or I could have, well, I think that's all the ways to get an orange in there. So I've left out black, I've left out white, I've got to leave out blue, so orange, white, and black. I've left out, see, this is where it gets a little bit hairy. You got to make sure you got them. I left out black, I left out white, I left out blue, I got to leave out orange. So if I leave out orange, I need white, blue, and black. So there's really 4 cases here. So since there's a different number of marbles of each color, I've got to consider each of the 4 cases. So orange, white, and blue is 1 times 2 times 2. And orange, blue, and black is going to be 1 times 2 times 3. And orange, white, and black is going to be 1 times 2 times 3. And white, blue, and black is going to be 2 times 2 times 3. And since those cases are mutually exclusive, there's no overlap. I can't have orange, white, and blue and orange, black, and blue at the same time. I'm going to add these up. Okay. Number 5. How many ways are there to pick 4 marbles from bag C? So I want 4 now so that no blue marbles are picked. Well, in bag C, I've got 6 marbles that aren't blue, so it's out of the 6 non-blue marbles, let's choose 4. In number 6, how many ways are there to pick 4 marbles from bag C so that 2 of the marbles are blue? Well, I got to pick the 2 blue marbles. So that's 2, choose 2. I've got to pick those. And I also have to pick 2 of something else. 2 of something else would be the 2 whites, the orange, or the blacks. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 6 marbles. So in addition to the 2 blues, out of the other 6 marbles, I need to choose 2. 2, choose 2, remember, is 1, because there's only one way to choose both things. So it's 1 times 6 choose 2, or just 6 choose 2 is the other way to think about that. I'm going to talk about number 7 in the next video. Come back and see it.